Hello friends, I am Farhan and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will talk about a portrait. So let's begin. Firstly, draw outlines by observing structure of any face. I am taking Mother Teresa's sketch, so I am drawing the face structure of her. Then draw eyes, nose and mouth by observing reference. If something went wrong, you can erase them and try once again. We have to zoom again and again in the phone. That's why I recommend you to take a print of a photo. Link of this photo was in the description box. I am drawing whole sketch by observations only. I am not taking measurements. After that, I am shading by observing light and dark in the photo. After shading, I am using cotton swab to blend the shading. It gives the more finishing to our sketch. If you don't have blending tools, you can use this method to blend your sketches by using cotton swab. Now it's ready. I hope you like this sketch. If yes, so don't forget to hit the like button and share this video to your friends and family. You can also subscribe our channel to learn more. We will meet very soon in new video. Thanks for watching and bye.